In good health, if you have been to a doctor's office this week, you probably noticed you've had a lot of company.
You're right. It's definitely not a very healthy time of year. Dr. Frank McGeorge is here to show us what's going around, Doc.
Well, Devin and Kimberly, according to the CDC, Michigan officially hit widespread flu activity, and we're certainly seeing that reflected at local hospitals and doctors' offices. There's also some nasty stomach viruses spreading in a lot of different communities. Here's what's going around where you live. In Wayne County, Children's Hospital is seeing an upswing in flu cases, and every hospital is reporting a number of patients of all ages suffering from stomach viruses. Henry Ford in Dearborn reports babies fighting RSV, and flu and strep throat are hitting school-age kids. Moving to Oakland County, Providence Hospital is treating a very large number of flu cases this week, including many sick enough to be admitted to the hospital. Providence Park in Novi reports cases of norovirus, and Beaumont Dr. Daniel Schnarr at Troy is seeing a stomach virus with a high attack rate, meaning it's hitting multiple family members at once. Looking at Washtenaw County, the health department says influenza cases are increasing rapidly there. Reports of respiratory illnesses are also rising in schools and daycares. Doctors at U of M are seeing stomach viruses in children and adults, and some cases of strep throat. Heading to Monroe County, ProMedica Monroe Regional says the flu virus is the biggest concern again this week. Over to Macomb County, Henry Ford Macomb is treating influenza and sinus infections. ER Dr. William Halakoglu at McLaren Macomb reports an increase in pneumonia and a steady stream of patients suffering from upper respiratory infections and stomach viruses. Finally, in Livingston County, influenza tops the list at St. Joseph Mercy Brighton, followed closely by upper respiratory infections and stomach viruses causing nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. So we've seen a lot of these stomach viruses circulating in workplaces and families, including right here at Local 4. Best thing you can do to stop the spread: wash your hands frequently and wipe down common surfaces like computers, bathrooms, and door handles.
Yeah, people are dropping like flies around this place, so much so that our boss sent out an email reminding people to wipe down their spaces.
Well, that's exactly it.
It's a really hard time to just stay healthy, though.
Well, no doubt about it, because right now there's, in addition to all these crazy noroviruses, the flu season is late this year, so we're still expecting we're going to see a lot of flu cases in the next coming weeks.
Okay.
So.